Welcome to another tutorial of Easy Video Series. This is Mayank Agarwal here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to reset your Windows password using Hiren's Boot CD. In this tutorial I will tell you how you can reset any of your XP, Windows, Vista 7 password using a Hiren's Boot CD. Friends, I have not tested this on Windows yet, but I am sure this would work on Windows 8 also, but I have not tested it. The prerequisite is you require a Hiren's Boot CD. Just Google it and you will obtain a Hiren's Boot CD on it. So here is an example system for you. This is my virtual box and I am putting some password since I have forgotten the password, so I am not able to log into the system. So what can be done for it? In case you forget, you need to burn the Hiren's Boot CD on a CD or a DVD. It's under 700 MB, so it can be burnt on a CD, USB or a DVD. Since it's my virtual box, I will show you the settings here. In VirtualBox, come to settings. In case you burn on a CD or a DVD, you will have to make the first boot device as CD-ROM or DVD-ROM or USB, depending on the medium on which you have burnt it. So come to storage. In ID controller, you click browse, choose a virtual CD and locate the path where you have Hiren's Boot CD. You need to burn all these steps. You need to basically burn the Hiren's ISO. So I'm just selecting. I have two copies, 15.0 and 15.1. Let's take the latest version, 15.1. I click OK, and now I restart my Windows machine. Normally for setting the first boot device, you need to press F2, F12, something like that, depending on your Linux or depending on your BIOS. So here is the Hiren's Boot CD 15.1. My mouse won't work here because it's the DOS menu. So in this you can come to the option Utilities menu. Different builds of Hiren's Boot CD might be having different options and different UI, but the utility remains the same. Go on the Utilities menu and this option, Offline XP Vista 7 Password Changer. Okay, click enter. The display is quite small because it's a DOS build and you won't be able to get a full screen view. So the first option here is, if you can see, the candidate window partition found. One is /dev/sda1, that is 100 MB, a boot partition made specially by Windows 7, and second is /dev/sda2. Remember, here you need to give the partition where your Windows is installed. Since my Windows is in C drive, that becomes SDA2 because SDA1 is the 100 MB boot partition. Okay, normally it should specify the title here also, but in my case it is not being specified because I have no label for that drive currently, or it specifies the label also. So it recognizes the Windows partition as these two are boot partitions. So for me it is partition number 2 /dev/sda2. So in the option I need to specify the partition number, so that is 2 as in the left column. Now it will say successfully loaded. As you can see, below is a success exclamation. So what is the path of the registry related to Windows disk? So it automatically takes Windows System 32 config. Just press enter, need not do anything. Third option now comes, select which part of the registry to load, use predefined choices. So first is password reset, second is recovery console. Recovery console will try to do a brute force and recover the password. I am just showing the password reset. So I select option number 1, press enter. Now the software name is CHNTPW, that is change NT password. Now the option is edit user data and password. Second is registry editor. So you can, if you are expert, you can edit your registry. So I will use edit user data and password. So here it is showing me the usernames. There are 3 username: administrator, guest and Mayank. Mayank was the account in which we were not able to log in because of the password. So you need to enter the name of the user. So I enter Mayank. Okay, I want to reset the password of Mayank. I am entering Mayank here, pressing enter. Now there are some options: user edit menu, clear user password, edit password, prompt user, unlock and enable user account. So we need to clear the password since we are resetting the password. If you edit the password, you will be asked for a new password, and you can directly set a new password here itself. So let's clear the password. For clearing the password, use the option 1. So it says password cleared, as you can see. Now it is telling select exclamation to quit. If you want to recontinue, you can press the other keys which it specifies. Now we are just quitting it. I press exclamation, it quits. Now another option, Q for quit. I press Q, it quits. Now it says the most important step, writing back changes. It says about to write files back. Do you want to continue? Enter yes. Now it asks you can try again if something has failed, and don't worry, this is a very safe process, everything goes on well. In case the password was not resetted, you can redo all these steps and the password is definitely cleared. So since my password is already cleared, I will say no new run. Okay, so now it's tell me to restart the PC. Just press Ctrl Alt Delete. So now you will see it again boot from the CD. So I'm just telling to boot from the hard drive. This is my Windows. So there you go. It's so easy to reset your Windows password. You just need a HeRainz CD. Even there are many other tools that use CHNTPW utility, but using HeRainz CD is the easiest. As you can see, no password was being asked to me. I got a direct login. That tells the experiment was successful. Thank you for watching the video, friends. Please subscribe to my channel Easy Video Series. You can find me at easyvideoseries.wordpress.com also. Have a nice time. Goodbye.